Now we're going to work on our workspace. The first thing you want is a nice big block because it's going to take the punching and the hammering and the nails. So if you're working inside especially, you want this nice big longish sort of thing, or even just a small board, a 2x4. Also, if you're working outside, it gives you that cushion for when you're hammering. You want to have tin cans, or your flashing, or your tops from your tin cans. These are the things that you are going to be punching. I like a ball peen hammer because it has the flat surface for punching, and if you want to add a little bit of indentation into your piece, it's fabulous. Different size nails are always good. I love different size nails because it gives me different punches. Tin snips. These are fabulous for any kind of metalwork you are going to be doing. Make yourself buy a very good pair. I love raffia and ribbon to hang my ornaments on, and I always put another cushion on top. I also recommend getting nice books, and we'll discuss that later. Thank you.